They talk say they genocide Christians for Nigeria. Some of them they fall for that trap. You know the funny thing? People when they talk this thing, they don't even care say you be Christian. They don't care about you. If you think say they care about you, go ahead and apply for asylum for America. May you know whether they will collect you. They go remind you say you be black person. The same right-wing conservative Christians for America where they talk about, oh, we care about Nigerian Christians. All this thing where they talk now just to find a way to defend what they do Palestinians for Gaza. That's the only thing. And you know what genocide mean? The thing is that they're even lying. Nigeria get security problem, and that is in general. There is a serious security issue for Nigeria. That is why in Katsina all the time, bandits they do this one back to back, back to back. Go and read about how many times they don't attack mosques for Katsina and elsewhere for North. Aside from that, even recently for Kwara State, or should we talk about the issue of IPOB for Southeast, or ritual for Ogun State? There is serious lapses in security for Nigeria. There is no targeted, because genocide means say maybe governments they plan something, a grand plan, say they want make sure say the population of Christians disappear totally. How many million Christians we get? Even if we say Nigeria between Muslim and Christian for Nigeria 50-50, so Nigeria with population of 200 million people, you think say they get planned to genocide how many people? 100 million people. So how many? And the issue of Benue State has to do with herders and farmers. We can never overemphasize the very need to say that to solve Nigeria issue collectively, we need to be honest with ourselves. You understand? The issue of victimhood, always trying to claim victimhood, is not going to help anybody. It has not helped anybody. And people that are bringing this up have ulterior motive. They don't care about human life. If they care about human life, they will not constantly sponsor wars that is buying people back to back. They don't care. And if you even talk about them, you interview them, you ask them, what do you think about a kid dying in Gaza? They laugh about it, they remove their head because they don't care. It's never been about human being. It has never been about, and you as a Christian, if you think they care about you, seek asylum, may you sin, and may they remind you where you come from. May they remind you where you come from. And just look at Congo conflicts, Congo Christian states. That conflict has been going on for so long. More than 6 million people and counting don't buy for that conflict. And it's still going on up till today. Meanwhile, when Trump tried to talk about it, they are discussing about mineral resources. They don't even care about people where they buy there. Their own name, they also call it mineral resources. I think the people care about you. They don't care about you. The moment you let them get into your head for their selfish reason is the moment you start causing problems from within.